I like the sound. And there were no crowds, so I need one now. Do I need one now? I wanna run through a field just to feel the wind in my hair, yeah. I wanna drive through the night 'cause I feel like going somewhere, yeah. I don't need a reason, I don't need permission, 'cause I don't care, yeah. So if you wanna take a ride, take my hand and I'll take you there, yeah.
Good morning, everyone. They're acting very calm right now, but I put them down and they're maniacs. Morning coffee. It has been gloomy, rainy, and squally for like 2 weeks straight. So we've had to put our winter covers back on, which is so much better. Can you believe somebody threw these babies out on the street? Your poor mummy.
See you later, buddy. You did good to us. Friends over here. I think they're heading off as well.
Yes! Oh! Oh! Ow!
Alright, so we're at this bay just the other day. It's literally like 20 minutes around the corner. We left because it was super windy and stormy. We wanted to go to somewhere a bit more secluded. Where we're going to keep moving today, keep going around the island. We're going around to this like epic like coral reef spot where hopefully we can find some lobster. We were going to cut through, but we're a bit nervous about the corals and that, because apparently there's some coral heads there that haven't been surveyed correctly, and so we decided to go around the outside. It's going to be a lot rougher, but at least it's safer. And then we'll cut through in here. Essentially, we're going right back on this side of the island now. See, last week we were down here, so now we're going to be up here.
We're gonna go for a ride.
Sneaking on the beaches, fires at night. Really too cold to swim, but I guess we had to try. Should've brought a blanket, but your arms are enough. Waking up for work's looking pretty tough. Yeah. Laughing because I had nothing figured out. I need one now. Do I need one now? I wanna run through a field just to feel the wind in my hair, yeah. I wanna drive through the night 'cause I feel like going somewhere, yeah. I don't need a reason, I don't need permission, 'cause I don't care, yeah. So if you wanna take a ride, take my hand and I'll take you there. I sang to myself just because I like the sound. There were no crowds, so I need one now. I don't need one now. I wanna run through a field just to feel the wind in my hair. I wanna drive through the night 'cause I feel like going somewhere.
Alright, so welcome to Ryan's land. That's what we're going to claim it.
I'm sure Lewis will have something to say about that.
But, yeah.
Have a lot to say.
When the tour boats come, Lewis and I are going to come out with sticks and we're going to conquer. Yeah, so we're just hanging out on this island waiting for all the tourists to rock up. We got our first tourist boat coming and we're going to kick them off.
We're going to make him feel very uncomfortable.
Alright, should we go get some sticks? Jackson, go buddy!
No.
How are we going to play it?
I think we're going to play it sweet and calm and be conservative and generous and friendly to these people.
they're getting your data. Okay, we're picking up Emma and oh, that was a good flip. Picking up Emma and Lewis in 25 minutes.
Sexy legs, got fishing.
Yeah, that would be good.
So Lewis has asked to crack walnuts and I got a new spear gun. That's what we learnt today.
Hello guys, we've got dinner sorted. I got myself a big barjack.
And he's got a yellow towel inside him. Snapper.
I also got a nice big calamari. I got two actually. Ryan also got us a big daddy lobster. No more buying meat from the grocery store. We're not big meat eaters anyways, but if we can catch our own food, that's a bonus. So I think that's what we'll be doing from now on.
Your dinner, sir?
Good morning, everyone. It's time for us to leave this anchorage. We've been hanging out here for a few days on this really cool little island. We've got a whole ton of laundry piled up. We've got a whole ton of dishes piled up. We've got no water. Our water maker's not working. We've just got a lot of stuff we need to get sorted, so it's time to go.
All right, Jackson's gone for his morning walk. We're pretty much ready to go. So we're cruising across to, where are we going, Brittany? St Barts. Oh, we're going to St Martin, but we're going to stop off on St Barts on the way because it's a French island. We don't have to check in to go there. So we're going to go drop anchor there for a few days and check that out and then continue on to St Martin. Now, Lewis on Artemis has been giving me shit because like we haven't caught a fish off the back of the boat yet, right? So between Artemis, he's got about 3 or 4 fishing lines he's going to run off the back of his boat, and we've got a fishing rod and some line, so we're going to run 2 or 3 off the back of our boat. So between the two of us, we're going to try and catch some tuna along the way. So that's the plan. So this whole passage in the next 24 hours is literally just going to be like a big fishing trip to get there. Is that all right, Brittany? Here we go. I'm going to start eating fish, I guess.
Alright, we've got the boys in the shed.
Dear sweet baby Jesus,
Bless this lure.
to catch a big money. Give it a kiss.
Especially since you splurged on the expensive reel.
Yeah.
Trady's real.
Alright, see you guys. We'll see you out there. Absolutely no wind, but fingers crossed it's better out there. It did say there was like a big blue patch of 0 knots all around here. So we just got to get a couple of hours out and we'll be sweet. But that's fine. It's a very gloomy day, so the batteries are quite low. So we'll motor for the first couple of hours, charge the batteries. I'll get us about 80 amps into the batteries, and then we'll start sailing. All right, Brittany, you ready to go? Yeah, you guys ready to go? Hey, yeah? Oh, look at that, you're learning how to climb up the stairs. That's why we have these pieces of wood on here. And our actual proper stairs are packed away, brand new, completely all repolished and refurbished and looking smick, and no dogs touching those stairs. Alright, doors up. We've got the dinghy up here on the davit. It's got at a bit of an angle because it's raining. Just bounce straight out here into the deeper water and then follow the channel out through the coral reef. Alright, we've got the 3 lines out. We've got the double one over there, the 2 ninjas. We got the squid, they're all squids actually. We got a squid here, we got one out the back skimming along the water. The wind's picked up now, it's meant to be behind us, but for some reason it's close hauled. Got the engines off now, the sails up, going about 5.5 to 6 knots. Thought I'd touch base with you guys. It's 6 o'clock, the sun's going down, it looks bloody epic. We're right between the island of Montserrat, which is a UK island, and what's one behind me, Brittany? Antigua. Where are they? They're still with us, guys. There we go, there's the beautiful sunset with Montserrat in the background. Looks bloody magnificent. But this is it, guys. This will be our night. It should stay like this the whole night. Fortunately, we haven't caught any fish yet, but we'll keep trying.
Hello, everyone.
Well, this is it now. We've got between 6 and 7 knots. We've got about 1.5 meter swell. Every once in a while we get like a 2.5, 3 meter swell roll up behind us. Pretty soon though we'll be protected by Antigua. Yeah, Jackson's up here, the puppies are asleep. Hey mate, Jackson, what's wrong, buddy?
Put the puppies to bed. They've been playing like crazy, totally unfazed by everything. And now we're watching Vikings on the laptop and tucking in for the night.
So I guess we'll turn these lights off, hey, and watch Vikings and shotgun going to bed first.
No.
See you guys in the morning. There she is.
These guys are flying. Alright, we just lassoed ourselves on. Tormenting Jackson. High five. Welcome to St Barts.
Yeah, welcome to St Barts, eh?
They do that again.
Nice Bart. Oh, just jumped
That
into
was
the
a
camera.
big jump. Freaking sweating my ass off.
Oh, hello, mama. Oh, shit.
Okay.
No, I just hit my little toe on the table. Testes, 1, 2, 3.
This is a good flip.
Oh, I got my balls.
We're picking up. Don't do that. Oh God. Come here. Where am I gonna go? You ready?
Oh, they're like, what the hell? They ran back scared.
What did I do?
Hello, hello, little ones, hello. Alright, if you like the videos, please subscribe. Fell off the couch. Like and subscribe.